today I'm going to demonstrate steamed mud crab and eggs with Huadiao and black truffles. Ingredients are 2 pieces young mud crabs, 3 pieces egg, half tablespoon black truffle paste, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons cooking oil. To remove the crabs, cut the rope binding the crab. Make sure the claws remain bounded for safety. Remove the flap. Stick a pair of scissors into the gap where the body meets the shell and pry open and take out the stomach of the crab. Chop the body into halves and remove the gills. Cut away the hard parts of both sides. Rinse under water and set aside. To prepare the egg mixture, add salt to the eggs and beat thoroughly. Then add cold boiled water. Water and egg ratio 1:2. Add cooking oil. Stir to mix. To reassemble the crabs, pour egg mixture into a deep plate. Scoop off any foam on the surface. Reassemble the crabs by placing the body parts with claws first, followed by the shells on top. To steam, wrap in heat-resistant cling wrap on the stove top. Put in the wok. When the water boils, steam on high heat for 15 minutes. Using electric steamer, steam at 100 degrees for 15 minutes. Whole process. When time is up, take out and drizzle Shaoxing wine and black truffle paste and serve. Enjoy!